In this video, we'll show you how to safely lift the front and back of your Ford Fusion using standard lifting tools. You will simply need a jack, a pair of jack stands. Your Ford Fusion must be on level, smooth ground. You must be on the ground where your car will be balanced, where the jack stands cannot slip, and especially where your jack can accompany the movement of the car at the same time as it lifts it. First of all, if the operation requires removing the wheels, start by loosening the wheel nuts before lifting the vehicle. For front lifting, insert the jack under the vehicle at door level and rest on the lifting point, which is a solid base for lifting and then securing your vehicle in complete safety. You can place the jack stand under a robust part of the chassis, such as the underbody next to the lifting point. Then, slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. You can now remove the wheel if needed. For safety, slip it under the vehicle as additional protection. If you need to lift both sides of your Fusion, repeat the steps for the other side. To put the vehicle back on the ground, start by putting the wheel back on the wheel hub if necessary, and retighten the nuts until they make contact. Reposition the jack and lift your Fusion until you can remove the jack stand. Then, gently lower your vehicle to the ground. Finalize the tightening of the wheel using a torque wrench. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. To lift the rear of your Ford Fusion, you can place the jack under the rear lifting point. You can place the jack stand under the rear support points as shown in the video. Then, slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. To lower the back of your vehicle to the ground, reposition the jack. And raise your Fusion until you can remove the jack stand. Then, gently lower your vehicle to the ground. You can now safely perform many of the operations on your Ford Fusion. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.